I would like to send a correction, particularly to you. I want this impression that you are giving most of the time when this matter of new members, old members comes on table, to put it in such a way that everybody will feel among. Most of the time when you are trying to close a statement, you say that new members are learning. Does that mean old members are not learning? So at least, Mr. Speaker, it is important whenever you come, if we are learning together. I believe there is even new members here that are more learned than even the old members. Even now, when you are trying to make this correction, you make the same statement, please. And this is your tradition since we are into the 10th Assembly. Please, whenever you are talking of new members learning, or you are learning, yes, we agree, but put it together that everybody is learning. Nobody is above to learn. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
We don't debate privilege. The parliament, everybody is learning, but there are people who are more experienced. If you go to the law court, you have the SAN, the Senior Advocates of Nigeria. There's a reason why they are given the first rule. And there's a reason why they are asked to speak first before other lawyers. Even if you come to court before them, the senior advocates will be given the opportunity to address the court first before you. In Parliament as well, though we'll try to neutralize it that we are all colleagues, we respect people who have been here longer than us. You can't have people like Adodogua, who has been here in 1992, and you equate his experience with somebody who just joined the parliament. That is not possible. There must be something that he knows better than those who are coming on board. And if you go to the US Parliament, there is a role for those who just joined the parliament to work with those who have been in the parliament for a long time so that they will understudy them. It's parliamentary practice. It is not something that denigrates the new members. It's a process of learning. It's an institution. And it is important that we all follow the culture and the tradition of the institution, where the experienced members are given opportunity to pass knowledge across to those who are coming. It's not book knowledge, it's parliamentary practice, and it's over time that you imbibe it. 1 year is not enough to know it. Over time, you begin to learn it and know it and pass it to those who will follow you tomorrow, because it is our desire that all the new members will come back to this house. And when you come back, you become ranking members. And the new members, you follow the same trajectory and teach them. That is how Parliament works. Thank you very much.